All right, good morning, class. So I wanted to try this. I've already uploaded a few videos for a couple other classes, and I think it's going pretty well. So what I'm going to do for the lessons is I'm going to kind of give you a couple examples of each, so that way you know that you're doing it correctly. So if we jump ahead, it says, well, your first assignment is to complete a 5 through 12 all. So if we look at the 5 through 12 all, it says evaluate the expression. Okay, so we're looking at all either negative exponents or zero exponents. Okay, so remember, if you have to the power of zero, it doesn't matter what base you have. If the power is zero, your answer is going to be 1. And if you have a negative exponent, then you have to do the reciprocal of the base and put your negative exponent. If it's on the top, you need to bring down to the bottom, the denominator. Or if it is, for instance, like number 11, that it has a negative on the bottom, then you're going to flip it to the top, to the numerator. Okay, so number 5 is negative 7 to the 0 power. So again, anything to the 0 power is going to equal 1. Okay. If we look at 8, we have a negative 5. Okay, there's a couple steps here. All right. So remember, it's not saying 2 times 5. It is saying 2 5 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that is 32. But I have a negative exponent, so I have to put a 1 as my numerator. So I'm going to 2 steps. I'm going to put 2 to the positive 5th power, which is equal to 1 over 32. Okay, this is your evaluated expression. Okay. If I give you one more example, if you look at let's do number 12. Okay. Okay, number 12. So we have negative 8 to the negative 2nd power divided by 3 to the negative 4th power. So again, I have 2 negative exponents. I'm going to have to flip both of these bases to make both of these exponents positive. Okay. So 8 times 8 is 64. And remember, so let's flip it first. We have 8 to the positive 2nd power. Actually, it's negative 8. Okay. And then you have 3 to the positive 4th power. So I have flipped them. Now you just need to simplify them, evaluate. So negative 8 times negative 8, well, that gives us a positive 64. Okay. And 3 to the positive 4th power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that gives us 81. Okay. So again, you have to do all of them. I've given you 3 examples. I'm going to have you comment on Google Classroom after you watch this video, making sure that you understand it. Give me some feedback. But you do have to leave a comment. That will be a grade. So yes, I did add one more assignment, but I think it'll be beneficial for all of you.